Hello everyone! Today we're going to play chess and blitz to improve our chess skill. Okay, let's go in 3 plus 2. So okay, let's play the move d4. This pedagogic game is really cool, so let's play a London system with the move bishop f4 that I learned to you in the video that I showed the London system. Okay, bishop f5. Really strange move. Maybe he want to put the knight here. Let's play the move a3, controlling this square, and then let's play the move knight c3, bishop d6. We will put the knight on e5 to have a very good knight here. What you can do in this position? Takes. I will takes, attacking the bishop. Bishop c5. I will play the move e3, and now we have maybe a very good position uh, to play. So h6, he want to has a square to his bishop. Interesting. So now I can play the move b4, or we can play to grand castle. So now this bishop is good, so I don't want to um, exchange with this bishop. So we'll play the move maybe queen d2 to just take our advantage. So, and then let's play the move grand castle. Okay, g5, bishop g3, very strange move. And now the king side is very weak. Now you can see that the h5 here is very weak. So let's attack in this position of him. Let's play the move bishop on e2. And let's come in here on h5 to get pressure on the king. On the black king, so maybe a very good position for me. In this position, we can move the move h4. Now he take it, so we can have the time to take the pawn, and we can immediately play the move bishop h5 check. Bishop g6 is not possible because I can just take it. So king e7, and then maybe now I take the pawn, and you can see that my bishop is really beautiful in this position. Now you can see that the bishop is a little bit trapping, so maybe g4, bishop here. We can takes, pawn takes, and maybe get the queen on c3. Or we can just going for f3, but I don't really like this. So we can just maybe going to grand castle to play very safe position. Okay, g4, why not? So we can play the move maybe f3 or h3. Maybe knight e2 is also good at some position, or knight a4. And in this position, I can just put the rook here. But maybe I want to play f3 is good. I want to open the g file and getting pressure on the bishop on f5. And f6, and maybe just takes. So he take it. Now I can play for bishop takes and open the f file. So I want to take with the g pawn to open this g G diagonal to getting pressure on the black piece. In this position, I will play also the move f4, because if he takes, I will take with the pawn, and you can see that the knight is really bad. Now the king, you can see that in a diagonal of queen. So in this position, we can calculate the move knight takes d5. Because of pawn, we can take check, king here, we can open. Now you can see it's really normal to sacrifice in this position the knight, because you can see that the black king is really weak. So let's sacrifice. Okay, and then if he takes, I will takes. You can see that he can't go to e7. He can't go to c8 because we just takes the queen. He can't go e8 because the bishop is controlling. And if he go to e7. If you listen to my calculating things, and you can see that after the move here, queen takes queen e7, we have a discover attack with queen c5 check, and the queen will be trapped. So he played the move bishop e4. Now we can open attack with the move knight f6 check. Now we attacking the bishop and open the file to the queen and the rook. My bishop is really good and very beautiful. So now king e7. Why not playing the move queen b4 check? Now discover attack, we check the king and attacking the black queen, and the bishop is hanging also. So now the composition of my opponent is completely lost, and it's also made after the move queen d6 and queen takes d6 checkmate. So you can see that things that my opponents blunder when he opened the h5 diagonal a8. So if we open this diagonal, we have to very sure that your opponent don't have some attack. And now my opponent don't see that I will attack him, so just attack and just win. After the game, we have to analyze the game, and let's click here, and the module has already going to good. So let's see our mistake. We don't have a mistake, so it's really good. So if you want, for example, you have mistake, you will click here, and you have to see the best move in this position. When you search the good move, for example here, we have, they say good moves, and you click to the next. And if, for example, you play a blunder move, for example, this position, for example, I just play a move to show you. For example, bishop takes a3, and they have this here, and they say that is the wrong move. If you don't see the good moves, you click to show the solution, and they show you the solution, and then next and next. So when you finished, you can see the game of you. You can see the game. So you click here to see the game and click here to see the game also. That is to the opening, and that is the final. So click here to play this move. And this game is really okay, and it's completely we're playing very good. Well, thank you for this watching my game of pedagogic, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.